So I just recently got monetized on YouTube. There are tons of videos out there that tell you exactly how to do that, but mine is different. There is one thing they are not telling you.
What?
I woke up this morning and I was not planning on doing this video, but I needed to do it because I saw how much I actually made today. So I got monetized just over a month ago. So I have been taking YouTube very seriously since July of 2024. And it is now February 2025 when I am recording this video. And I was monetized January 10th of 2025. So from July to January 10th was about just over 6 months, and I was able to get monetized. But there is something missing here that nobody is telling you, because I was watching so many videos. How to get monetized, what kind of videos should I be pushing out, how to create viral content. I was watching videos every single day, researching on how to get monetized quickly. I just wanted to see if I could do it. 6 months is pretty good. I did find it to be very difficult, and there is one reason why. This one video is the only reason I was monetized. It's a little frustrating only because I pumped out so much content. I feel like I filmed so many videos. I spent so much time making videos. I feel like no one is talking about this. Only one video was pushed out to the algorithm for me, my channel. And that is the only reason why I'm monetized. And I was just watching that one video grow and grow, and all of the other content that I was pumping out wasn't really getting traction. So I don't know if anybody else has felt this or experienced this. I'd love to know. Please drop a comment and let me know if you also had this experience. But to end this off, I do want to say that I just looked at my revenue that I made. January 10th was when I was officially monetized. And today is February 17th. And I just was getting revenue from my views from last week. It takes over 30 days for the setup. So none of my views from those 30 days counted until last week. And I just saw it, and it is $14. I know that sounds like nothing, but that's just free money of just people watching YouTube and watching my channel. So that's pretty cool. And that is 2 Starbucks drinks for free. So thank you.
Wow.
I hope this video helped you a little bit. I just wanted to shed a light on, one, how hard it is to get monetized, but 2, keep pushing that video if you notice that it's really picking up. Push it on your other social channels and try to get that video pushed, because that is what's going to help you get monetized. That's what helped me. And I feel like everybody needs to know this, and no one's talking about it because everyone's just saying, I got monetized in 6 months, I got monetized in 3 months, and I have so many views and all these videos went viral. None of my videos have gone very viral. I have shorts that have gone viral. Didn't help me get monetized though. The one video helped me get monetized. I have so many free patterns. Make sure to check it out, othcrochetnook.ca. All my patterns are free all the time. See you next time.